Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve this exponential equation x to the power x is equal to 3 to the power x plus 9, or left side this is x to the power x is equal to, now applying this exponential formula, a to the power m plus n, this is a to the power this m times a to the power n. So applying this exponential formula to right side, we can write this 3 as a to the power this x as m plus this 9 as n. So 3 to the power this x times 3 to the power this 3 to the power this 9, or now divided both side by 3 to the power x, we can write left side x to the power x over this 3 to the power x is equal to, right side this 3 to the power x will cancel and it will remain 3 to the power 9. Or now again applying this exponential formula, a to the power n divided by b to the power n, this is a over this b and whole to the power this common n. Now applying this formula, x to the power x over 3 to the power x, we can write this x as a and 3 as b. So x over 3 and whole to the power this x is equal to, right side is 3 to the power 9. Now raising both sides power by 1 over 3, we will get left side x over 3, this x over 3 and whole to the power this x, and take this power 1 over 3 to both sides is equal to, right side will be 3 to the power this 9 times 1 over 3. We have taken this 1 over 3 to both sides, or left side x over 3 and whole to the power this x times 1 over 3, this is x times 1 is x over this 3 is equal to, right side this will be 3 to the power this 9 divided by 3, here it will be 3 and this 3 times 1 is 3. Now applying this formula, when a to the power a is equal to b to the power b, then comparing we can write a is equal to b. So applying this formula, in here this x over 3 as a, so a to the power this a is equal to this 3 as b to the power b. So from here we can write this x over 3 is equal to this 3, and multiplying both sides by this 3, we will get the value of x. So x is equal to this 3 times 3, which is 9, and this is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.